Hello friends, in this video I am going to review one of the popular flip-flops in India. This is from Crocs, and here you can see there is a nice packaging given along with the flip-flops. So let me take it out. So once you take it out, there are some cushioning is given for maintaining the foam during transit. That is a really nice option. So there is a cool hanger with the Crocs color like branding is there. That's pretty awesome. So this is how it looks from the side, front, back, and as well as bottom view looks like this. So when you see there are some product information is given here, so that is good to read. I will tag this product and as well as I will share the link of this product if you want to check out the price. The price, actual price is 3,495 is mentioned rupees, but you can get in a better option. So here you can see there is iconic Crocs comfort is mentioned. The cushioning is really nice and there is a nice projections which for in enhanced grip and I think maybe blood circulation. Please read the product for that. And here you can see the Crocs branding is given this side and as well as this side, same for both the things. And there is a nice lining of black color is going there, like giving the Crocs iconic style. It is available in multiple colors, but you can check it out. So the back side you can see the grip, you can see the projected grips is quite nice. For indoor and outdoor use it can be a good option. The size is like M9 and W11 is I select. This is a unisex one. You can select for woman. W11 will be a good option. So according to your size chart, you can read it in the product link I have given. So this is how overall it looks like. And your day-to-day use, it can be a good thing. And since it is a white color, you can use it with, it can match with anything. So, and it's a unisex. So if your home people have same size, you can exchange it and wear it also. That's also cool stuff. So this is all about the product. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this. Have a great day.